Welcome to the Swedish countryside. My name is Anders Möller and I live in a small farm in the southern half of Sweden. This YouTube channel is mostly practical. I'll show you how I do when I farm, with beekeeping, when I raise chickens, my crayfish farm, and how I renovate the old buildings and build some new. I try to be as honest as possible. Show you both good, the bad and the ugly. My ambition is to show you all sides of country living in Sweden. So don't be surprised if you find some videos about sheep herding, cooking or guitar playing. Most of my films are in Swedish, but as an experiment and just for fun I do some translated to English. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you like to follow my life here on my Swedish homestead, please subscribe to this channel. There is always action in the countryside.